The internet has revolutionized how we earn a living. It has opened doors to countless opportunities. Creating and selling online tutorials is one such avenue. This industry allows individuals to share their knowledge and skills. They generate income from the comfort of their homes. The potential for earning is vast. The demand for online learning has skyrocketed. People are eager to acquire new skills. This surge presents a golden opportunity for entrepreneurs. The beauty of this model lies in its scalability. Create a high-quality tutorial and sell it globally. The internet breaks down geographical barriers. Reach potential customers worldwide. Online tutorials offer a path to financial independence. With dedication and hard work, turn your expertise into a thriving business. The first step in building a successful online tutorial business is identifying your niche. Your niche represents the specific area of expertise you will focus on. Choosing the right niche is paramount. It determines the long-term success of your venture. Start by brainstorming your passions, interests, and skills. What are you good at? What do you enjoy teaching others? Research market demand for your potential niches. Look for niches with a substantial audience. Ensure there's sufficient interest to support a profitable business. Tools like keyword research and trend analysis can provide valuable insights. Avoid overly saturated niches with fierce competition. Consider exploring niche markets with less competition. This allows you to establish yourself as an authority more easily. Balance passion, expertise, and market demand. Choose a niche that aligns with your strengths and interests. This ensures long-term satisfaction and success. Once you've identified your niche, the next step is to create high-quality content. Your tutorials are the heart of your business. They need to be informative, engaging, and easy to understand. Focus on delivering exceptional value to your audience. Thoroughly research your topics and present the information in a clear, concise, and structured manner. Use a variety of media to enhance engagement. Incorporate visuals like images, videos, and infographics. These elements break up text-heavy content. They make learning more visually appealing and easier to grasp. High-quality visuals contribute to a professional and polished look. Ensure your tutorials are well organized and easy to navigate. Use clear headings, subheadings, and bullet points to break down information into digestible chunks. Provide downloadable resources, worksheets, or templates to enhance the learning experience. Remember, your goal is to empower your audience with knowledge. Strive to create tutorials that are not only informative but also enjoyable and memorable. This will keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Section 4. Platforms and Promotion, Reaching Your Audience. Having created exceptional content, you need to make it accessible to your target audience. Numerous platforms are available for hosting and promoting your online tutorials. Consider popular learning management systems like Thinkific, Teachable, or Podia. These platforms provide all the tools you need to create, host, and sell your courses. They offer features like course creation tools, payment gateways, and student management systems. Alternatively, explore self-hosting options if you prefer greater control over your content and branding. This involves setting up your own website and using plugins or third-party tools to handle course delivery and payments. Once your tutorials are hosted, focus on promoting them to your target audience. Leverage social media platforms, content marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising to reach potential students. Build an email list to nurture relationships with your audience. Engage with your followers on social media. Provide valuable content related to your niche. Consider collaborating with influencers or partners to expand your reach. Section 5. Monetization Strategies, Turning Knowledge into Profit. Turning your online tutorials into a profitable venture requires implementing effective monetization strategies. There are several approaches you can adopt. The most common method is selling your tutorials individually or as part of a bundled course package. Set competitive prices based on the value you provide, the length and depth of the content, and market rates. Consider offering subscription-based access to your tutorials. This provides recurring revenue and fosters a sense of community among your students. Offer different subscription tiers with varying levels of access and benefits to cater to different budgets and needs. Explore affiliate marketing by promoting relevant products or services within your tutorials. Earn a commission on each sale generated through your unique affiliate links. Ensure the products or services you recommend align with your niche and provide value to your audience. Leverage your expertise by offering one-on-one coaching or consulting services. This personalized approach allows you to charge premium rates while providing tailored guidance and support to your clients. Section 6. Benefits and challenges. A realistic outlook. Starting an online tutorial business offers numerous benefits: flexibility and freedom, work from anywhere, set your own hours, and be your own boss. Unlimited income potential. Your earnings depend on your effort and quality. However, it's essential to acknowledge the challenges. Competition. The online education market is increasingly competitive. Time commitment. Creating quality tutorials and promoting them takes time. Technical aspects. Familiarize yourself with website management and marketing. Section 7. Conclusion. Embark on your online tutorial journey. The world of online education is brimming with opportunities. Sharing your knowledge through tutorials can be personally and financially rewarding. By following these steps, you can establish a successful online tutorial business. Remember, providing value to your audience should be at the forefront of your endeavors. Create high-quality content that empowers your students and leaves a lasting impact. Embrace the journey, learn from your experiences, and never stop innovating. The internet has democratized education and entrepreneurship. Seize this opportunity to share your expertise with the world and build a business that aligns with your passions. The only limit is your imagination and dedication.